Hello my dear students, I hope so you all are fine and doing your study well. You all know student we are doing lesson 3 and we did the first classification where animals are separated according to the interaction, the way we meet different animals. At homes, animals are called pet animals. At farms, they are called farm animals, and the animals we meet in the forest are wild animals. That is the classification according to the interaction. In the second classification, let's read. We can classify the animals on the basis of their living place. Different animals prefer to live in the different places on the earth. So according to that, the animals are divided in the second classification. We put them into following categories. First one is land animals. Animals that live on land are land animals. It means the land animals may live on trees, as the trees are also present on land. Animals that live on ground or as well as in the soil, these are all land animals. Let's read. What are the different animals that live in these different places and they are land animals also? Animals like tiger, lion, leopard, cat, elephant, many more that you know, dog, buffalo, goat, these are all the animals that live on the ground. Firstly, we are here discussing the animals that live on the ground, and these are also land animal, as ground is a part of land. So now the next is some land animals live on mountains. Mountains means pahad. Some animals live on mountains. And what are these animals? Yak, snow leopard, Rocky Mountain goat. These animals live on the mountains. How? Their bodies are made in such a way that they can easily live on the mountains. Yak. In the mountains, yak help the travelers, visitors who go to the mountains for the traveling. Yak helps them to carry their luggage. It is difficult to go from one part to the another, from one side to the another side of mountains. So yak help them to carry the luggage, to carry the bags, to carry the load. And these are also these animals also live on the mountain areas, and their bodies, they prefer to live on the mountains. Now the animals, land animals, live on trees. For example, crow, squirrel, sparrows, owl, eagle, monkey, chimpanzees, etc. These animals love to live on the trees. Monkey, with the help of its tail, climb from one tree to another tree. Squirrel also prefer to live on the trees. The land animals, that some land animals live in very cold places. What are these? For example, polar bear, penguin, seals, Arctic wolf. These animals live in cold places. Polar bears have thick fur, this one, outer cover on their body that protects them from the cold weather. Penguin have thick fat, a layer of fat on their body. Same is with the seal. You can see here the thick fat on the seal help them to live in the cold places easily. Their bodies are made in such a way that they prefer to live in the cold places. Same is with the other animals that live on trees, like monkey's tail help to live on the trees, and their bodies help them to live on the mountains. It is easy for them to live there. Let's see now land animals. Yak that live on mountains. Leopard, snow leopard live on the mountains. Lion on the ground. We are here discussing land animals that live in the different areas on the land. Giraffe is also a land animal, live on the ground. Owl live on the trees, land animal. Squirrel, you can see here, this one is a squirrel, live on the trees. Chimpanzee, similarly as same as of monkey, little difference is their body is wider. Okay, comparing with the monkey, their arms are also longer. Their body makes the difference with the monkey. Now crow prefer to live on the trees, land animal. Water animals. The animals that live in water are called water animals. For example, fish, dolphin, seahorse, octopus, crab. These are all water animals. Here you can see more water animals: starfish, dolphin, seahorse. These are all water animals. Aerial animals. Animals that live in air are called aerial animals. For example, eagle, crow, pigeon, parrot, many more animals that live in air. Here you can see pigeon, eagle, aerial animals. So here is the second classification where animals are divided according to the places they live in. I hope so it is clear to you. Thanks and have a nice day.